In this video, I will show you how to unblock Facebook friends. Let's get started. Open Facebook app. Tap on the three horizontal lines to access the menu. At the bottom, go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. Scroll down until you see Blocking. Tap on Blocking. Here, you will see the people that you have blocked. Now tap Unblock next to the people you want to unblock. Hit Unblock. And the person disappeared from the block list, which means you have unblocked the person successfully. But keep in mind, if the person was in your friends list before and you blocked them, Facebook removed the person from your friends list. You will need to be friends again to see them in the friends list. That's it. I hope the video helped you. Please like the video. It helps me out. Thank you.